Too much today. Fuck, man, you throwing, bro. I'm gonna throw you off a fucking bridge. Shut up. Oh, wait, no, I didn't mean to switch it. Okay. Nom nom nom. Time for water. Water time. Water. I don't know if I did a hydrate and stretch 9 minutes ago, but I'm gonna do it now.
Only 60 seconds left.
Right click the whole time? Classic Jeff main?
Now they have 3
Yeah, but Jeff
healers.
can't do
What
that
the
anymore.
heck?
He doesn't have unlimited little thingies now. Dang, you're getting way too good at Storm. Trying to learn her now too. Yeah. Ah, shit. Yeah, are you gonna get
I'm ready for yummy yummy.
Oh yeah, okay.
Oh.
Thanks for the reminder, cause I
Hello,
forgot.
Yes.
They're so far. Oh fuck, I meant to damage boost.
Surely this Thor dies, right?
Surely, I got you. Oh shit, maybe I don't.
been here for
Wait,
like 5, 10
no.
minutes.
You got a health back, no.
Ah. I died.
No, freaky burger, no. Bye, Bryce. Have a good night. Need to believe in yourself. I'm not comp ready with Storm, but I'm working on it. But Storm gets permaban. Like, what's the point? I mean, with Jeff, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Oh. Seeing Iron Man on the floor is so weird.
No, I can't.
How long would you be streaming? Probably like another 30, 45 minutes. No. Thanks for allowing drops. I got you. Penny and Rocket needed the nerf. Everyone else didn't. Did they get a nerf? Are they getting a nerf? Ban Hella and Hawkeye every time you want Storm. Teams that go Gator. Ban Wolf and... Ban Hella Hawkeye. But there's Punisher. I mean, I can get around a Punisher. Bring out the Storm and ranked. Bro, you think it's that valid? Actually? Word? One sleep. Hi, Bubbo. In like 30-ish minutes. Good Widow is a problem 95% of the time? True. I haven't really ran into a good Widow. Constrained for you if you want to DPS?
Would you like to play Jeff now?
I can't believe you pulled out the Strange and comp today, bro. Shallow by Magnolia Park? I got you. I'm at the
Something.
end. That sound like Lucy.
Yes.
I thought
I
it
did.
said Swallow.
Only took 700 million hours.
Oh.
Approximately.
Gonna catch another stream. Bye. Bye, A. Have a good night. Her combo is very good at fucking up dive if you get it down. One shot combo. What would like Mantis? Pretty buns with snipers, but I'll try it. Bro, you play CS. How? Break is over. Bye, Absol. Have a good time at work. Bye. Thanks for drops. I got you, Turtok. You're welcome. I have it fucking hurts so much. Oh, but like as Storm though? Del, you don't play Storm. I mean, like, yes, I've been against a good Widow, but not on Storm. More buns with Venom than the buns of Venom. No, you're so goated. Nuh-uh. Oh, wait. Cart has monster-sized brain Storm? What? That's crazy. Well, the Op and CS doesn't shoot fucking potatoes like Black Widow.
Storm to have Lord on her, but I don't have Lord on her because I've only played it in the big brain thing.
I see.
She's the only DPS I can play well.
Widow, if you body shot, hit your full E ability, and then hit a headshot when they're stunned, you can kill them. Okay, but if you have a Mantis boosting you and you hit a headshot, you don't even need to do all that.
Pick your hero or villain. I'm not judging.
CS op is an actual. I hit if done right, like the op in Valorant. I never played